I'm starting with the TheFiveWits Wigs wig, and it is Lucky Student. That is their Nagito Komaeda wig, and then this is just it straight out of the bag on the wig head, and it has some curls, but I want mine to have like more Nagito style. So the first thing I want to do is brush it out so it makes styling easier. So then the next step is teasing your wig. You're going to take small sections and back comb, I've heard that's what it's called, with a comb, and then yeah, just do that for the whole wig. My wig looked like after I teased it all, and it looks really messy, but trust me, it's worth it. It makes wig styling so much better. Then you're going to want to mist it with Got To Be or just any hairspray. I don't have any Got To Be left, so I'm just using regular old Tresemme. So you're going to mist that over. I did too much, but that's okay. And yeah. And taking a blow dryer, I heard you're supposed to do it on low heat, but I do it on high heat because why not? You're gonna dry that hairspray, and I don't know if it's just for drying hairspray or if it like melts the fibers into that position or not. I don't really know, but that's what you're supposed to do, so do that. And you're gonna take a round comb, I think it's called. I don't really know, but you see that's what it looks like, that thing. And then just brush out the whole entire wig. It's a lot easier than it looks, I promise. It just takes a bit, but it's not actually hard to brush it out. It's actually really easy. But then after that, you'll have a really, really poofy wig that is so much easier to style and looks so much better and thicker and more voluminous. So yeah, trust me, that whole process was so worth it. And then you're gonna want to take your comb again and just brush it out to get all those tangles out that you might have missed with the big comb thingy. So yeah. I always find it really important to do the ahoge and bangs first, just because that's like the main part of the wig, I guess. I don't really know. So this is me just sectioning off where I want my ahoge to be. I did mine a bit too far forwards, but that is okay. Yeah. This is just me pinning back the hair on the side so I can do my bang piece thingamajiggy that he has. And then I'm gonna hairspray it. And then, because he has little curves like in his bangs, I'm gonna hairspray it. Then I use the blow dryer to push it to the side, so while I'm holding it forwards, if that makes sense, so it makes like a little C shape, so it dries in that little curve, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's how it turned out. And then I just did that for the other side, so it makes that little squiggle. I like how the bang was. I tried to copy how his hair is, like canonly, for at least the front pieces. So this is just me, after I looked at a reference, styling that piece how his kind of is, if that makes any sense. And then he has a really short piece in the front, so I just chopped that off. And I actually want to add, I pretty much did not cut off anything for this wig because he has long hair except for this bit. But yeah. So there shouldn't be minimal cutting for this wig, at least how I did it, so yeah. While taking how his hair looks canonly, I also am taking my face into account, and I have a pretty chubby face, and also just any face type, it's always good to have some pieces to frame your face, so that's what this piece was. So yeah, and then I'm taking some other pieces, and pretty much what I'm doing for this whole entire wig is following how the wefts naturally want to lay. So yeah, and then after you like choose which piece you want to style next, always pin back the hair just to make it easier. So this is me doing another piece to frame my face, and yeah. You can see more of me just following where the weft naturally wants to lie with these pieces in the back or just on the rest of the head than you can the front. But yeah, if you want the curve, just do that thing that you can see right now of me doing the C kind of shape with the blow dryer. And yeah, that's pretty much how I did the whole entire wig, just picking up small pieces at a time and doing the blow dryer technique and hairspraying it. And it actually did not take that long to style this wig. It's actually really fun, and yeah, there's so much creative possibility with this wig and Komaeda's hair that it just makes it fun and not stressful at all. This is how the wig looks so far, about halfway styled. I did the whole method that I already showed you and talked about before with this, and I'm just going to repeat that on the other half. So yeah, this is after I styled the rest of the half, the other rest, whatever of the wig. I did not style the underneath bottom whatever hairs because those rest against your neck, so I wanted to leave those for later. And then after I styled them, this is what it looked like, and I'm actually really proud, and it turned out pretty cool. And yeah, and then after I finished, I just did a few coats of hairspray just to protect it because I have trust issues. And then after you do that, you are going to want to use a blow dryer and heat seal it, I guess that's what I like to say, the wig on whatever temperature setting you want. I don't really care, to each their own. And then yeah, you're pretty much done with this wig. I hope this helped. I'm sorry I'm not really good at tutorials, but I hope this helped.